Today I will show you how to make free AI music. By doing this, you can also start online earning. Yes, completely free. You can create AI music and use it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook without any problem. Just like you see, my background looks nice. In the same way, you can create your own work and make real music easily. Every part of the video is important. There are many channels already making AI music and getting views. You can also make your own music. With just one prompt in only 20 seconds, you can create your own song. If you want, you can also add your own images or create images with AI. Then you can start a YouTube channel. Upload your music there and build your own music channel. This way, you can create and upload your own original music for free. With this amazing new app, you can easily create any type of music you want. Happy, romantic, horror, love, or even animal sounds, all without copyright issues. Many people are already using AI music and earning thousands of dollars online through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also make your own music, upload it, and even sell it to earn money. This app is very easy to use, and you can fully create the music you like in just a few steps. If you want your own channel with original music and no copyright problems, you can start today. I will explain everything step by step, so if you are new, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, because I will bring many more tutorials like this. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get started. I will share the link to this app in my video description. Just click and download it, then install the software on your mobile. I will also give you some prompts. You just need to copy them and paste into Leonardo.ai, and your image will appear. After that, go to Hilo.ai, Pixaverse, or any similar site, upload the image, paste the same prompt under it, and the video will start creating. Once the video is ready, we will add background music. Now pay close attention. This is the main step. The first option is text to music. For example, the melody drifts like ocean waves, played softly on the piano. The rhythm feels gentle yet distant, balancing peace with hidden storms. Above, you can see options like pop, hip-hop, trap, R&B, and Latin. Below, in the style section, there are choices such as happy, sad, romantic, dark, spooky, warm, and many more. I select warm, but you can choose any style you like. After that, just click on Create Music. Within a short time, the system will start generating your music. Vidnoz Music is a powerful and easy-to-use AI music tool designed for creators, artists, and everyday users who love experimenting with sound. With Vidnoz Music, you can generate original music tracks in seconds, explore different genres, and add unique beats to your projects without needing professional skills. It offers a wide range of customizable options like mood, instruments, and style, making it perfect for videos, podcasts, and personal enjoyment. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, Vidnoz Music helps you create high-quality, royalty-free music instantly, making creativity faster, smarter, and more fun. Every part of this video is important, so do not skip anything. Everything matters, and nothing should be missed. And now you can see the music has been generated. Let me show you how good it sounds.
Whispering ocean, soothed by the breeze. Gentle waves caress the sandy shores. Soft whispers of the night, calm and serene.
Soothed by the breeze, gentle waves caress the sandy shores.
For example, this one is called Whispering Ocean. You can also see that many different styles have already been created for this song. You can listen to them and use whichever you like. Next, let's move on to another option. Another option here is lyrics. You can also use this feature. For example, I type a short line, "The streets will glow forever bright." At the top, you can see different genre options like pop, hip-hop, trap, R&B, Latin, rock, and many more. Below, in the style section, I click on Hopeful and Energetic. Once I select these, just click on Create Music. Within a short time, the system will start generating your music. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because every step is important. This is how Vidno's music works. Vidno's music is an amazing AI tool that creates high-quality, royalty-free tracks in seconds. Users can generate unique music for videos, podcasts, and social media content. It's simple, fast, and powerful. And the best part is you can also earn money by selling or using these tracks online. And now the music has been generated. You can see how amazing it sounds. Really powerful and beautiful. Listen carefully. The music is true. Wonderful and impressive. The third option is image to music. This means you can create music by using an image. For example, you can even use your own photo. Here, I upload a picture of a cat. At the top, you can see different genre options like pop, hip-hop, trap, R&B, Latin, and more. This time, I select pop as the genre. And for the style, I click on happy. After that, I simply click on create music. Within a short time, the system starts generating the music. You can see, it doesn't take long at all. Vidno's music is a powerful AI tool where you can use your own images, add background music, and create unique content with ease. This software makes it simple to produce reels and videos, upload them on YouTube, and even start earning from your creations while enjoying full creative freedom. And now you can see, the music has been created, and it sounds amazing.
Whiskers at ease in the cool night, large green eyes sparkle.
In this way, you can easily generate any kind of background music. This is a very powerful tool that you can use to create music effortlessly. You can also use it to earn through platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and many other websites. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Okay, bye, and thanks again for watching.